welcome back to my channel. So today I have a sunglasses unboxing, but before we do that, it's I'm going to tell you, it's the Boucheron brand, and as you know, Boucheron is actually a company that makes jewelry, so high sort of luxury high jewelry brand. And they also make sunglasses. I think they make, sunglasses, which is what's in this box, and glasses. But before we look at what's in this box, I want to talk a bit about this one, which is a vintage pair. And what I love about it is not only is it gold plated, but because of the wavy arms. And I bought this from a local vintage sunglass seller. So what she does is, if the lenses are scratched, she keeps the frames, and then she goes to an optometrist and have the lenses changed, also recut and changed over. So this is one from there, and I got to know Boucheron, this brand, as you know, as having making also glasses frame. So then I found out they had this limited edition one on sale. So I've done the noisy bits. And because it's brand new, it's got its certificate of authenticity care card. Very, very cool. It's a bit of a novelty shape, I would say. And it is, now Boucheron is actually, I think, purchased by Kering some time ago. So that probably means that their sunglasses are made by this one particular lab that makes most of the sunglasses, I think. I can't remember what they're called, but anyway, here we are, white with gold writing. I was amazed at how heavy it felt. So this is the box. Oof. Wow, I love it. Very sturdy case with the gold plating, like with, gold tone plug. I like that. Like white and gold, and you can peel off the plastic bit. But let's look at the sunglasses. Ooh. Yes, very cool. It's an owl shape sunglasses. I just couldn't resist at how cool it is, and I hope you guys can see it is actually bi-colored lenses. The inner lens is dark, like sort of gray, and then the outside is amber. Or is it the other way around? I think it is amber. But it is so cool. It's somewhat cat eye-ish, but it's round and it's oversized. So let's put it on. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh. Fits straight away. It's sort of rose gold eyebrows, temples, or whatever, I don't know what you call it, and then silver, really lovely silver temple arms. I like how it's a bit of a feather here. Nice. What? It is so good. Oh, right, I'm gonna take a photo of myself. Wow, and I'm just looking at my car rear view mirror. It's like reflective. So no, I think from what you guys are looking at, it's gold or like amber on the inside, and the outside is dark or black. It's very nice. I can see through the clarity. I can see the clarity of the lenses is really, really nice. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love it. It's very cool, very different, very eclectic. It's so me, right? Like novelty sunglasses. I've got novelty handbags. I've got novelty sunglasses, but not that novelty. Not that big ones, that you get in photo booths, but novelty enough to be like a luxury brand. My goodness. And look at let's check out I hope you guys can see the nose pad. It's like sort of octagonal shape, like an elongated octagonal shape. It's quite sturdy. There's no spring here. on the temple arms, because sometimes some glasses have springs, yeah, which is nice. It just allows for a more sort of nicer fit at the temple, but this is perfect for me. I wouldn't go any tighter, but it sits nicely on my nose bridge. I don't even need any adjusting. How cool is that? Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. And having said that, do you guys notice I'm wearing my Adidas tongue jacket? Let me move my seat a little bit back. The puffer jacket, it's getting a little bit cold. So this is the Chinese New Year 2026 edition that Adidas made. Yeah, for Lunar New Year. It's got the 3 frog buttons. Oh, I love it. And I think it goes so well with the sunnies. Thank you, everyone. Very short today, very short. Well, anyway, see you in the next video. Bye.